Yeah. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiana Kendrick and this is KeySphere. Today you guys can see that my hair is a different color because in this video I'm going to show you guys a short tutorial of how I dyed my hair this color with the Revlon Frost and Glow. It's the color Honey. It's for medium to dark brown hair. So you guys can see that my hair is kind of like honey light brown now instead of dark brown. I honestly love this color, and my hair, I call this color instead of honey is actually dead leaves, because my hair, like after all the time of me trying to keep it healthy and stuff, it actually killed my hair because it's hair bleach. But anyway, I love the color, and now I'm going to show you guys a quick video of how I achieved this color, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair on my own at home. I straightened my hair today because I thought the application would be more even and easier if my hair was already straight. Today I'm going to be using the color Honey by Revlon Frost and Glow. Yeah, I picked it up from Walmart for about $7. I know you can get it at CVS also, so either way it's really convenient. So let's just get on down to this video and hopefully my hair comes out good. Okay, so today I'm not going to be using the cap or the hook, and I already sectioned off my hair into 4 parts. I'm going to highlight the front first so I can highlight the front part of my face to shape it. So I put the mixing powder in the cup that they give you in the box. This is the highlighting powder, so I already poured it in there. And now I'm going to take the activator and I'm going to pour that in there. Poured it, yeah. Okay, so I already took out the first section of my hair, and now I'm just going to part it, take out the first section that I'm going to dye, and pin up the rest. If I can get the clip in. Okay, I got it, yay. Okay, so I'm going to put dye on this first section here that I took out in the front. Okay, so I'm going to start applying it. I didn't put it directly on my roots because I didn't want my hair to be all one color, because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, and I did not want to look like a pumpkin. So I'm smoothing it out so that I can get the color everywhere. I've seen people put it on direct strands, but I kind of wanted my hair to be dramatic, but not too dramatic, which is why I didn't cover my roots. So I'm just going to keep doing the same thing for the rest of my hair. And as I do each section, I'm going to put saran wrap to cover it, like wrap it around, to help the hair dye dry faster. I'm using saran wrap instead of aluminum foil because I heard that it's better than aluminum foil. Although I think both of them will damage your hair either way. But I tried the saran wrap. So I'm going to keep applying the hair dye to the next section of my hair and smooth it out. And then keep doing that same process for my whole head all around. Now for this last part, I'm going to leave the shower cap on for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out and see what happens. Alright, so this is the end of KeySphere. I hope you guys enjoyed and found my video helpful. To be honest, when bleaching your hair, there's no way to avoid it being damaged. You just have to kind of start all over and bring it back to life, which is what I'm kind of doing right now. But anyway, for those of you that like makeup just like I do, I partnered with Pink River London, which is a company that makes synthetic fake eyelashes, handmade. I'm going to leave the link to their Instagram in the description below, where you can use a promo code from me using my Instagram names to get 15% off on your first pair if you are interested in ordering some. They make really nice eyelashes if that's your sort of thing. and I'm definitely going to order a pair and probably show you guys like a makeup tutorial in the future where I use the eyelashes. So like the video, subscribe for more videos if you like my content, and stay tuned for more videos in the future for more health and beauty and fitness by me. Okay, bye-bye.
I work hard.